I always say that sadness and happiness sleep with us together on a silk bed. In the comfort of the night, they embrace us. They should and must be our friends. As in cooking, they are the edges of life, the contrasts of cooking as well. I started having this feeling that I've been carrying in my pocket since birth. These incredible seeds that are always with me. They were given to me by my parents. I know that one day I will plant them somewhere and something will grow. As a child, I learned the silent language of the clouds, the wind, the forest, the streams, the lakes, all the beauty of the geography that went inside me without me knowing it, until very late in life. Later, I remembered all those things from my childhood, and I just kneeled down on the ground and picked up the tools from my childhood, and with that, I constructed my way of cooking. Because the house where we lived in Bariloche, in Patagonia, was ruled by fire. Shelter is related to being with ourselves, alone. And I think that's so important in life, to embrace our loneliness, to be happy when we are on our own.